Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take photos in the Dress to Impress free play mode, like photo box kind of picture. So you're going to go out of this area and you're going to go up here. To the left, you will see 3 backgrounds. Select whichever one you want. I'll do this gold one. Press enter and make sure you have your poses ready. I'll just do these 4. And then you're going to press start. And you're going to do the pose you want. That's 1. You need to be kind of quick though. 2, 3, and 4. You can also take pictures with your friends, but I think all my friends are asleep right now. But this is what it looks like. I don't know why the background isn't there, but here you can also change the photo box thing like paper. Then you're going to take a picture and it's going to be saved in your pictures here. Ta-da! I'm just going to save it for my thumbnail, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh, you'll be able to see it in this photo wall right here. It's going to be removed though after 60 minutes. It's a little bit blurry. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.